Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Cast Iron Wednesday. This month's Cast Iron Challenge is fish. So I thought I would do something simple for the first one. Got a can of chicken here. Got a can of tuna. And I'm gonna do a tuna melt. Who's that? Not overly complicated, but you know, not every meal has to be complex and complicated. Sometimes they can just be simple. Alright, so I got one can of tuna. I got mine in water, drained. I drained it off camera because it's good to the last drop. I got some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. I'm not going to use any salt because there's already salt in the shake. Got a little garlic because I like garlic. Gonna add some black pepper. Alright. I got some French's mustard. I like a little mustard on my tuna. I've been doing it since I was a kid, so. Then some mayo. Probably more than enough. So, give that a good stir. Get everything out of my way. Got my bread here. Cast iron's heating up nicely. You may have seen this in another video. This is the same stuff I've got. Which is one of the reasons I'm doing this, because I don't want to just make a whole meal trying to use up the bread before it, you know, gets all stale on me. Because I'm basically, because I live alone, when I get a whole loaf of bread, it's like, you know, because it's not a family of, you know, 3 or 4 eating sandwiches or making toast. It's just me. A little unsalted butter. This is how I roll in my house. And then on it, I'm going to put, what did I do with it? A little Parmesan cheese on the bread itself. Because it gives it a nice cheesy crust. So. That cheese will melt onto the bread, and it just, I think it's delicious, but, alright. And we got some American cheese. I actually prefer cheddar, but I'm just using what I've got on hand. I couldn't see going out and buying cheese when I've already got cheese, so put the cheese on there. And add the star ingredient. Alright. Ooh. Yeah, I just gave that a little taste. Delicious. Let that grill. Maybe I had the temperature up just a little bit much. Because, well, the other side was already, well, it's not bad. Not bad at all. I'm okay with that. Nice. Sweet. I think she is done. Kill the heat. Move it to a pan or cutting board. Get you a close up. You know, it just doesn't have to be difficult. It can always be simple. Alrighty, time for a taste. I've actually made these for dinner a number of times. It's quick, it's easy, as long as you got the ingredients. Oh yeah. Tuna's kind of falling out of it, but man, I'll tell you what, phenomenal. Got that cheesiness. Delicious. Well, alright, appreciate you watching this week's Cast Iron Wednesday. There'll be a playlist link in the description for Dee at Native Tears for her playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. And also Shovelhead 8's channel will be linked in the description as well. Good dude, also does a bunch of cast iron cooking, so if you're interested, go check him out. Our northern brother from Canada. As always, I thank you for watching, and have a good one.